Ukraine in panic, as Russia launched one of the biggest attacks. It's day 1283 of Russia's operation in Ukraine. Let's dive deeper. Starting from the Pokrovsk front. After the initial chaos, as Russian forces broke through the Ukrainian defenses, things are now much stable. Ukrainian reinforcements that were brought in to stabilize the Russian breakthrough did their job. However, they were not able to push the Russians back as much as they hoped they would. But intense fights are taking place on the entire front line. Near Avdiivka, Russian forces are trying to reach the last highway. In addition, their fellow units are putting pressure from the south, particularly on Maryinka, which is also being attacked from the east. At Avdiivka, Ukrainian forces are defending very strongly, because if they lose the northern position of the village, it will be very hard for them to stop Russian forces from reaching the highway. However, Russian forces have recently pushed most of the Ukrainian forces from the settlement. Currently, fights are taking place at the northern warehouse. Now moving to the Maryinka section. As you know, Pokrovsk is defended with the help of its surrounding villages, and Maryinka is the biggest among them. It is reported Russian forces in the last couple of days started attacking the first line of defense of the town. And as a result, they were able to capture part of the defense line. Because of recent reinforcements, the Ukrainian garrison is now strong. So in response, Ukraine launched a counterattack on Maryinka. They advanced along the tree line and reached the highway. However, within the next 24 hours, they were pushed back. Furthermore, Russia is taking advantage of the situation by targeting Ukrainian groupings. Yesterday, Russia launched one of the biggest long-range attacks on Ukraine. It was the second largest attack on Ukraine since the start of this war. It is estimated that Russia launched 598 drones and 31 missiles in this attack. And as per sources, in one of the attacks, Ukrainian grouping in Dobropilya were struck. Sources say Ukraine's best brigades are likely stationed in this village. We are slowly receiving the aftermath of these massive strikes. Maybe in the next report we will take a look at a few. Subscribe for more frontline updates. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below.